Welcome to my biggest PR unboxing. I went on vacation for 2 months and I came back to all of this. Don't mind my voice, I am really sick, but let's get into it. Okay, before we start, I do want to say I'm so grateful to all of the brands. We're gonna start off with Huda Beauty. I got on their PR list after years of posting and I'm so grateful for this. So I love Huda Beauty. She's such an inspiration. I have a little pamphlet for her new Easy Bake setting spray. Got a cute little Huda Beauty mirror. We got a little fan to dry up our setting spray. This is the makeup bag we got. It is so stunning. We got some Huda Beauty hair clips, these heart-shaped powder puffs, a bunch of her products. We got the new Easy Blur foundation and primer. I love this foundation. I'm wearing it right now. Like the perfect medium to full coverage. A very popular Easy Bake. A little face brush. And we got their new Easy Bake setting spray, which I've heard a lot of good things about this. I'm gonna put it to the test for you guys. So the next package is Rhode. Packaging is always so fire. Like stunning. Sent over their lip treatment and their new pocket blush. Such cute packaging. I've heard so many good things about this. That looks so pretty. From Nars, we have their face palette. And we have 2 of their new lip oils. This one is so good. I already used it. A blush shade highlighter bronzer. This is so stunning. This package is from Wear Beauty. Oh my gosh, you guys. They sent over all of their highlighters. Like, I literally can't even count how many they're in there. All of them are different shades. Wear Beauty, their bronzing sticks are definitely one of my favorites. They're not ready for this one. Do you guys want a sneak peek? No, because their packaging. Prada just released new makeup, new eyeshadow palette. It's literally so stunning. Look at the packaging. We have their lip balms. The packaging is very pretty on this as well. This one is like the pink, like a blue and a green. They're all so stunning. And then there's also a new Prada mascara. Next, we have a cute little package from YSL. They sent over their 5 Love Shines. I love this packaging. I took one of these on vacation and this is literally all I wore. It might be a little pricey, but it lasts you a very long time. Next package is actually very special to me because my first ever eyeshadow palette was Anastasia Beverly Hills. And they kind of sent over everything. Okay, so I got their Sultry palette. So stunning. It's like an everyday palette. Their highlighter. I have never seen this. This is so pretty. I've been seeing these lipsticks everywhere. About 4 of their lip liners and their mascara. Up next, purple boxes are always Saie. Saie is very special to me because the first ever makeup dinner I was invited to. They just launched their new blushes, so I got one of their brushes. Got 2 of their dewy blushes. Okay, so these are their new blushes and they are so pretty. This shade is definitely one I'm gonna use. I love this packaging. Next, we got NYX's lip IVs. These are their new lip stains and these are viral all over TikTok, so I can't wait to try these out as well. Up next, we have a package from Tower 28. These are their new blushes. Look at the packaging. It comes in like a little water bottle, so you can kind of just open this up and we have all of their new blush shades. I can see all of the 6 shades over here. I know what this is, and honestly, like, you guys are not ready for this. Plump up your love. When I saw this, I screamed. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to act. I didn't know where to go. And like, are you guys kidding me? Like, I would use this as a clutch. YSL's new lip oils. Like, look how pretty. I really want all of them on my face right now. Next we have is Kosas. They have the best concealers and the best lip liners. I'm also known for their powders. Look at this packaging. So soft. The new Cloud Set loose powder. We have this shade and then we also have the pink, like a pink powder shade. And then we also have their new setting spray. I love this new blue packaging moment because it is so pretty. Next package is from MAC. And you know what, I believe you guys that these brands are always watching your videos because they know how much I talked about this product and they knew I needed a restock. So what did they do? They sent me a restock of this product, which I love and I use it every single day. I'm using it right now. It is their serum. Pretty this packaging is. MAC Hyper Real Serum. Next we have is Urban Decay. I freaking love Urban Decay, okay? Their setting spray and their brow products are in my daily routine. Face Bond Illuminators, and then this is their setting spray. This is their new primer. I didn't know they were coming out with the new primer. Up next is a brand's name that I will never know how to pronounce. Is it Jizu? Is it Gizu? I don't know. But this is a very popular brand known for their lip oils. I think they have sent me literally all of their lip oils. And they're so good. I take them everywhere, especially when I'm traveling. Look how pretty. Oh my god. It's like a bubblegum pink. And this one's like a peachy pink. Next we have is Danessa Myricks. Now, I've heard of her brand, but I've never tried any of the products. So this is going to be my first time. We have their glow serums, and then this is like their balm powder. I'm very excited. This packaging looks very cool. Remember how I was telling you how much I love Urban Decay? Look at this hijabi on this cover. Y'all think I could model? New face bond blushes. I'm kind of late to this because I'm opening up my PR late. This is my favorite setting spray, y'all, for all of their shades. It looks really pretty. That's a pretty pink color, by the way. A lot of products from One Size. Have their viral pink powder. 2 of their setting sprays. This is a glitter one. Hijabis have been using this all over their hijab. Glitter on your hijab, like, be for real. And then we have their viral Until Dawn setting spray. I ran out of the big one and it's very hard for me to find it. So next we have is their Secure the Set primer. Now, let me tell you guys, I have been using their Secure the Blur primer so much you can't even read the brand name anymore. Like, I love this stuff. This got their Attention Seeker blush. Look how beautiful. Also got a travel size setting powder. Up next is my favorite skincare brand at Sephora, which is Caudalie. I am in love with this brand. This brand should be in love with me because I'm in love with them, okay? This isn't just one PR. I got 3 separate PR boxes. I got their viral elixirs. They're so good. I love them. I use them all the time. I definitely needed a restock of stuff from their new crew line. Their face cream, their eye cream, and their serum. I haven't used this, so I'm so excited to try it out. I also got a restock of their pink serum. I've probably used about 4 of these bottles, and that is why my face looks so good. And then I also got their viral Vino Perfect serum. I have been dying to try this. I tried it a very long time ago. And then you guys already know their viral detox mask. Next we have is Giorgio Armani. Guys, the mess in my room. Next we got Giorgio Armani's Luminous Highlighters. I really think I could use this one because I'm brown. We got It Cosmetics. Now this brand also I love. I use and abuse their brushes. And they're so freaking sweet because they always send a new one. New CC cream, and then we have another foundation brush. Obsessed. I can't wait to use this. PR came back in like end of February. So this is Paula's Choice toner. It came in their Valentine's Day packaging, and this is so funny. The only ex you can trust. Break up with harsh exfoliants. That is so cute. I have L'Oreal, and I have a special place in my heart for brands that send hijabi hair products because I know I'm not showing my hair. I know I can't really promote the hair products, but for y'all to send it to me still, like, that is so sweet. Shampoo, conditioner, their lamination gloss, and then we have their serum. Next, we have a lot of products from CoverGirl. And they kind of sent me their whole line. We have a primer, a glow serum, we have some blush bombs, we have another glow stick, we have a contour stick, skin enhancer, and then another primer. And then we have even more blush sticks. We have is La Roche-Posay. This is their Skin Barrier Duo, their cleanser, and then their therapeutic cream. Their package from L'Oreal. We have more skincare. Here, this is their Revita Lift line. Their cleanser, we have their vitamin C, and then we have their brightening cream. I love anything with vitamin C. It makes your skin literally glow. We have this Ferris wheel. This is their global acne treatment. Up next, we have is Josie Moran. This brand has really good body products. It's actually very heavy. It's just kind of haram. So this is their body butters. Sent over like a mini one, and then 2 packages from Natrium. Their Barrier Bounce Serum. This is their viral lip balm. And they sent me all of them. We have a jewelry package from Nominal. Cute these earrings are. This is their Ramadan collection. I think like an Aitokers earring. And then this moon ring. We got this little hand chain. This is a newer brand called Vive. These are their liquid highlighters. I feel like a lot of brands sent highlighters this time. I think it's because it's like summer season. Really soft package from She Glam. A little hat. So freaking cute and adorable. And then I'm not sure what brand this is. This is RMS Beauty, which is Rosie Mary Swift. Their bronzer, their lip oil, and their skin tint. We have another skincare package, which is from Biotherm. Their body lotion, which I also love. Lastly, I get a lot of packages from Alani Nu and Prime. Strawberry Sunrise. After opening all of that, that tastes so good. It's really good. Look at all the mess. I'm gonna have to flatten all these boxes. And that was my entire PR haul. I do want to give you guys some tips how to get PR. I don't know how to say this enough, but post your content. That's all I'm gonna say. Post that video, post a tutorial, post a talking video, post something. Because how are brands gonna send you stuff if you don't post? Like, if I just hide all this stuff, they're not gonna send me anything. So, second, be public. Obviously, you need to have a public account. Third, have your email in your bio. 90% of the brands reach out to me through email. 10% reach out to me through Instagram. Have a really professional email in your bio. And fourth, always talk about the products you love. Trust me, the brands and the products you love are probably the brands that are going to reach out to you first because you're talking about them. That is all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. So this is the aftermath of my room. This is literally insane, okay?